Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful day today. As always, I would like to share with you today's my best analysis and the best trade of the day. And we had amazing volatility today, especially in the evening after FOMC statement, and most of the traders bank more than 100 pips today. And today is 17th of March, Wednesday 2021, and let me share with you all those analyses. All right, so just quick recap, traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. And if you would like to know how I trade and provide live intraday analysis in the real time, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. All right, let's move straight to the three major currency pair as we always do. Okay, so Euro USD, if you look at here, we had, yesterday, as I mentioned you guys, if the price gonna stay below that, we're going to take short trade here. We were watching this, previous low price did not break and develop a consolidation. As you can see here, this is the FOMC statement reaction. Price nicely, broke on this bull flag pattern. And as I always mentioned, guys, we were banking on pullback. So we had such a beautiful trade. Let me share with you today's intraday analysis on Euro USD. As you can see, this is the analysis I did yesterday for the Asian session. We had only one small pullback, and afterwards I did another analysis this New York session. You can see afterwards the market was consolidated whole day, and at the New York session, that's what I explained to traders. The price has developed another pattern, and we had this breakout just before the FOMC statement, and traders bank, as you can see, based on the momentum, beautiful breakout. And we bank profit as soon as the FOMC statement was about to release. We explained to trader, close your positions because anything can happen. So we managed beautiful pips at that time. And after that, you can see the knees reaction. Price state came down here. As I always mentioned, that we already had this breakout and we're expecting another pullback based on the momentum. So this is the news reaction you can see here. And afterwards, as I always mentioned, guys, we always look for the pullback. You can see here, based on the momentum, we had a beautiful pullback long and traders banked beautiful pips. So we have another two pullbacks, and I'm keep explaining to trader, as long as we can see based on the momentum, we should keep banking profit on Euro USD. All right, so this is, you can see today we had yesterday we did not find any volatility, but today we had an amazing volatility, as you can see here. Still price develop another pullback. We have taken this one, and still keep going it as long as the momentum is bullish. We have another breakout is performing, and the target would be, that's 120,000. That's the first target. And if the price gonna stay above this, you can see here bull flag pattern is broken. So now if the price gonna stay above this previous high, then we're gonna be keep taking a pullbacks, and the final target would be this level around 200 EMA. All right, so we'll keep you updated tomorrow about this analysis, but today we had amazing trades on Euro USDs. Let's dig into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had amazing trade, beautiful trade. And let me share with you 4-hour again. We also have a short trade here when the price reverse, and as soon as I explained to trader the price develop another bull flag pattern, and this is the news reaction. And afterwards I explained to my trader, keep taking a pullback, and I explained to my trader the target would be 140,000 level first. And let me share with you the intraday analysis of pound dollar. We had amazing trades, and if you look at this is the analysis today. Okay, so this was the analysis I did last night, and we have breakout and pullback. This is the analysis I did at 7:34 just before London Open. You can see here we had two pullbacks long on pound dollar, and this was another analysis we did as soon as we banked some profit. We did another, basically as soon as the trader asked me is there any opportunity, I basically draw another pattern for them straight away. You can see if the price gonna break, which is previously pulled back, and bank beautiful pips. So we had a beautiful long trade this morning, and afterwards we also had a short trade here. You can see here. Then I did analysis around at the New York session. I explained to trader price developer consolidation, and then I explained to trader if the price gonna break the previous low or previous high. But if you look at the bottom, momentum was bearish, so I'm explaining to trader more likely will be the short trade here based on the momentum. We have breakout after the breakout. As always, you can see here pulled back short trade here, and just you can see just before the FOMC statement, I explained to trader close your positions and wait for the news release. So what happened after that? After that, news released, and you can see here at the top, this is the news reaction. You can see here. And as always mentioned to traders, look guys, we need another deep pullback, and if the momentum is bullish, as you can see here, this is what I explained to trader at this level. You can see here price respected and possibility of long trade here. So what happened after that? You can see one pullback, second pullback, third pullback, fourth pullback, because this is what happened here. If you look at in 4 hour, we will keep taking a pullbacks. So most of the traders bank beautiful pips on pound dollar. And if you look at one of my traders still open the positions, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so what we're looking tomorrow, you can see here we have bull flag pattern is broken. If the price broke, this is the previous high is broken. If the price gonna stay above that level, we're gonna be keep taking a pullbacks, and our final first target would be around 140,000 area. So technically price might gonna break this 140,000 area, and afterwards expecting a short trade here. So we'll keep you updated tomorrow on pound dollar. Today you can see we had amazing trades on pound dollar. Dollar CAD. Okay, so dollar CAD, if you look at the 4-hour chart, and as I mentioned yesterday, if the price gonna be as I mentioned you guys yesterday, that if the price gonna develop a double bottom, we're probably gonna have a long drag, which we did, and we were expecting the price might gonna break this level. You can see here pattern, but as you can see that this is the news reaction, but we also consider this one as a false breakout. That's give us the very good significant indication for bearish. So we were taking a pullback short on intraday. So let me share with you the today's intraday information about the dollar CAD. Okay, so if you look at this is the analysis I did last night for looking, because as I mentioned, if the price develop a double bottom in 4 hours, this is the level. So we should be taking otherwise we should be taking a pullback short here. But what happened here, you can see here price broke on this channel, and afterwards we had another pullback. So we banked beautiful pips, and as soon just before the market news release, I explained to trader to bank some profit, and afterwards as soon as the FOMC statement released, you can see here big short here. You can see this is the news reaction. But as I mentioned, as soon as the price basically after the news, I broadcast this analysis because I explained to trader the dollar is weakening, so we should be looking at pullback. So this is what I did analysis instantly after the news release. You can see we had a one pullback, we have another pullback, we also had a third pullback as well. So we had a beautiful pullback short trade after the news. You can see here this dollar CAD in 4 hours. So we basically keep enjoying it pullback short trade on dollar CAD after the FOMC meeting news release and based on the 4-hour analysis. All right guys, so let's see what's happening here. So as you can see, we have weaknesses on dollar. Even look here, the price is about to break this level. So we're expecting here, if the price gonna stay below this previous level is broken, then probably gonna be we're taking a pullback short trade here. And if the price gonna break above that level, then long. But this is what exactly mainly we are looking at pullback short trade here. And if you look at here based on this analysis, we had one pullback short trade, second pullback, and third pullback short trade. If you look at the bottom, the momentum is bearish. So based on that, basically most of the traders bank beautiful pips. So we'll keep you updated about dollar CAD tomorrow. But if you look at here, my trader was waiting for that news to be released, and as you can see, there's the two trades is open. Pound dollar, he's expecting a target 140, which is still open. If I show you when he opened it, as you can see here, as soon as the price broken above the previous high, this is the screenshot when he opened the trade and still holding it. Let's see, we'll keep you updated tomorrow about that trade. And dollar CAD, he take a short trade, and if I show you the open price, that's the open price, as you can see, based on the analysis which I explained and the momentum. He took a short trade. This is the entry screenshot, and he's still expecting a few more pips. So we'll keep you updated these two open position. As you can see, based on the analysis, all these trades are 100% big. He already banked 35 pips and he's keep holding these trades. So you can see, patient and discipline, work out very nicely. After the news, the whole day was consolidation, but bank, you can see most of the pairs, beautiful pips. You can see here, consider banking some pips. If you open any pair, we had a short at the beginning, you can see here, this was the analysis after the news reaction. This is the news reaction as always, and afterwards pullback. Beautiful pullback long trade. We had a beautiful breakout short trade on dollar yen. That was a pretty straightforward breakout, and after the breakout, you can see here pullback short trade. This is the news reaction afterwards, basically pullback short trade. So you can see most of the traders bank beautiful pips after the FOMC statement. So that's it, guys, for today's, and I hope you enjoy all that analysis details. And if you would like to see rest of the pairs analysis in real time alongside with the live audio commentary support, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Even if you don't have Forex trading experience, we also provide full Forex coaching and training. As I said to you guys, my objective is to train people with the live market where they can see how I analyze market in real time. We provide live support with the real market, so if they need any second opinion, we give them information straight away, because that's the best way you're going to learn with the live market. So even if you are struggling this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're going to be banking these pips very nicely alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. So feel free, there's my free availability calendar link is given in the video description, and feel free to book if you need any help in trading. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.